let's talk about how to control your wealth. Let's begin by discussing income. Your income might stem from employment, business ownership, retirement funds, or if you're lucky enough, an inheritance. Regardless of the source, you receive a paycheck either monthly or bi-monthly. Upon receiving this paycheck, you have 4 primary options: save it, invest it, spend it, or give it. However, before you do any of those things, consider a 5th option: depositing your money into a vehicle you fully control. Well, refer to this as your family bank. By placing your money in your family bank, you enjoy numerous benefits. You'll earn dividends, guaranteed lifelong growth. This arrangement is private. You have complete control. You'll earn tax-free growth. You can leverage your funds, allowing your money to work in multiple places simultaneously. Furthermore, it provides protection through a death benefit and safeguards your assets from creditors. It eliminates market volatility, ensuring you never lose a dime. It provides you with opportunity. With capital available, opportunities will naturally find you, enabling you to invest. It also allows you to make significant purchases like a car, college tuition, or a wedding. When you need to access your funds, because they are liquid, you can make a withdrawal from your family bank to invest, spend, and give with it. Okay, we've got that part covered, but the question is, how do we do this? This strategy resembles a mortgage. If you're familiar with home ownership, you understand making monthly mortgage payments to the bank. Each payment partially reduces the principal balance of your home while building your equity. Once a sufficient amount of equity is built up, the bank may offer a home equity line of credit, HELOC, allowing you to use this equity as you wish. Similarly, the family bank operates with several distinct advantages. 1. You own it, which means you control it. 2. It's guaranteed to grow, unlike a house. 3. And has minimal to no mandatory repayments. Okay, so what product are we talking about here? It's called whole life insurance. But more specifically, we use a uniquely designed life insurance contract. This may be unlike anything you've encountered before. How it works is you capitalize your policy with premium payments. With each premium payment, a large portion of that contributes to the cash value of your policy. Once added, this value is locked in permanently, meaning it can never decrease in value. Now over here we have a separate pot of money. This money is reserves held by a mutually owned life insurance company. Now what does mutual owned mean? Simply put, as a policy owner, you own the company, not stockholders, but you, the policy owner. When you wish to access your cash value, you take a loan from this reserve using your cash value as collateral. This is a no-questions-asked transaction, and you can utilize the funds as you see fit. The best part is you create your own repayment schedule, all the while your cash remains secure within your policy, enjoying all the benefits previously discussed. That's it. It's as simple as that. From our years of experience, this is the best way we have found to effectively control your wealth and become your own banker. For more information, visit our website at legacylifeandretirement.com and connect with one of our specialists today to see if building your own bank is the right move for you. The information is free, but the knowledge is priceless.